Okay, thank you very much. Actually, I was working for the office for the IPR infringement office in the Ministry of Economy since 2004 to 2006. So, before I explain about what the government of Japan is doing, I would like to share some comments of the lawyer who is now acting, combating the counterfeits in China. He used to work with me. At that time, this office was newly established in the Ministry of Economy. And at that time, that infringement or counterfeit piracy issue was a very huge problem in Japan. It was happening in China. When they started anti-counterfeit measures, all Japanese companies felt that once they take actions against these infringers, then problem will solve in near future. But actually, what they done, what happens is never disappeared. Still, I hesitate to say, is the main exporter of counterfeits. So, it is rightly pointed out yesterday from the Indian music industry. That is some kind of management. We need to manage these counterfeit issues. So, my friend, he's a lawyer of Japan, now acting in China. The counterfeits, to tackle on the counterfeits is climbing up the down escalator. So, they try to climb up and keep the pollution rate low, genuine rate high. But once they feel, oh, all problem has cleared, 1 year passed, the situation is all the same, what even worse. So, not focus on their resource at one time. No. Keep tackling on these issues, watching these issues. This is the most important thing for this organized crime. So we need to be aware that IPR infringement and the counterfeit are different issues. IPR infringement is a battle between company and company. But counterfeit and piracy is organized crime versus company, consumer, or our nationals. So we need to keep in this mind. They never give up. So we need to consistently tackle on this issue. And then my proposal is that in Japan, as you mentioned, but different from that, is that not only the FICCI or ASCHAM or these kind of industrial group, but we have sector-wise industrial groups, and they tackle on the IPR issues, these counterfeit issues, because this is the common problem, not the company to company, but all these companies in this field has the same problem. So they share the information, how to conduct raid, and doing the investigation together, and doing the raid action together. Actually, this is very much effective in the case of China. In Chinese system, there is some kind of threshold. If the amount of the income is lower, that punishment is administrative, so very weak. But once it's higher than this particular threshold, it is a criminal punishment. It is very harsh. So it is a very, very effective to conduct these kind of raid actions together. So this is the Indian case. there is some electric goods. Japanese companies are somehow dominating this field. I don't specify the particular goods, but actually what it is half of the share is counterfeit.